Hi, this is take 3. Hi guys, this is kind of my 5A here. Here's my 2004 Duracraft 10-inch box fan DB100. I picked this up a long time ago at Goodwill for $10. I think it was about $1, maybe $1 and change. I don't remember. It was quite a long time ago. You hear all the rustling, that's my cat playing. She's playing with, I have my flashlight and she's playing with the flashlight. So yeah, let's spin this around. You can see it's kind of dusty. I used it in my bathroom all summer. Then I used it to filter some dust that I was cleaning one of my vacuum cleaners with. I never bothered to take it apart and clean it. Kind of too lazy to do it. But here's the front. It has like those gray blades. And the inside's pretty dusty. You know what's funny? It's the same color as the toe it's sitting on. Haha. So the top of it is scratched up and pretty much dusty and crap. Sitting beneath my bed for a while. For the longest time since I put it away. But here's low. And it still works. Oh, that's high. This is low. That's low, sorry. And I got high. It's only two speed. And off. Let's turn around. It's high, low, and off. See if we can get anything in the information on the bottom here. Bring it up here. Oh, Kaz Incorporated. Yeah, you can see this is Kaz. This is probably around the time when Kaz was incorporating this stuff. Let's see. Show the date code on the bottom of the fan. Let's see, this is October of 2004. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of my 2004 Duracraft 10-inch box fan model DB100. Have a nice night, and comment, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.